Hello and welcome back to the English Flow podcast. I am your host, Lucas. I am so happy you are here today. Today we have a very special and important lesson. We are going to learn how to use be, been, and being in English. These three words are very common, but they can be difficult for new learners. Do not worry, because I will explain everything very slowly and clearly. Before we start this big lesson, please remember to subscribe to our channel. If you subscribe, you will never miss a new episode about learning English. We want to help you speak fluent English every day. Click the subscribe button now and let us start our lesson about these important verbs. First, let us talk about the word be. Be is the base form of the verb. It is the most simple form. You use the word be after other small verbs like will, can, could, should, or must. For example, you can say, I will be happy. In this sentence, we use be because it comes after the word will. Another example is, you can be a teacher. Here, we use be after the word can. It is very important to remember this rule. When you use modal verbs, the next word is often be. Think about the future. If you want to talk about tomorrow, you say, it will be sunny. You do not say, it is sunny tomorrow. You say, it will be sunny. This is the first and most basic way to use the word be in your sentences. Now, let us continue with the word be and look at the infinitive form. The infinitive form is when we use the word to before the verb. So we say to be. You use this when you want to describe a desire or a need. For example, you say, I want to be a doctor. You use to be because you are talking about something you want. Another example is, she likes to be alone. Here, we use to be to describe what she likes. It is also used in phrases like, it is nice to be here. This is a very polite phrase. You can use to be in many situations. Just remember, if you have the word to, you usually follow it with the word be. I want to be, I need to be. Let us move to the second word, which is being. The word being ends with the letters I, N, and G. This usually means an action is happening right now. We use being to talk about how someone is acting at this moment. For example, you can say, he is being funny. This means he is acting funny right now. He is not always funny, but right now, he is being funny. It describes a temporary behavior. If you say she is being loud, it means she is making noise right now. It does not mean she is a loud person every day. It only means she is doing it at this exact moment. This distinction is very important for A1 learners to understand clearly. We also use the word being to create passive sentences in the present continuous tense. This might sound difficult, but it's simple. It means something is happening to an object right now. For example, the house is being built. This means workers are building the house right now. The action is happening to the house. Another example is, the car is being washed. This means someone is washing the car at this moment. You use is plus being plus the past action word. The food is being cooked. The room is being cleaned. Listen for the word being to know that an action is in progress right now. It is very useful for describing the world around you. Now, we must talk about the third word, which is been. The word been is spelled B-E-E-N. We use been with the helper verb have or has. This is called the present perfect tense. It connects the past to the present. For example, I have been to London. This means in my life, I went to London. It is an experience I have. You cannot say I have be or I have being. You must say I have been. Another example is she has been busy. This means she was busy in the past and she is still busy now, or she just finished being busy. The word been tells us about a state or an action that started in the past. Let us look deeper at using been for life experiences. This is a great way to talk to new friends. You can ask questions with have you been? For example, have you been to Italy? You are asking about their life history. If they say yes, they mean at some time in the past, they went there. You can say, I have been happy lately. This describes your feeling over the last few days or weeks. It is not just right now. It is a feeling that has continued for some time. Remember the formula: subject plus have or has plus been. I have been, she has been, we have been. There is another way to use been. We use it in the present perfect continuous tense. This describes an action that started in the past and is still happening now. For example, I have been waiting for 1 hour. This means I started waiting 1 hour ago and I am still waiting now. You combine have been with a verb ending in ing. Another example is, it has been raining all day. The rain started in the morning and it is still raining now. This is very common in English. You can say, I have been studying English for 2 years. This shows your dedication and the time you spent learning. Let us compare be and being again to be sure you understand. Be is for facts or future. Being is for temporary actions now. Compare these two sentences. He is silly. This means his personality is silly. He is always silly. Now look at the second sentence. He is being silly. This means only right now he is acting silly. Maybe usually he is serious, but at this moment he is being silly. This is a big difference. Use be for permanent things. Use being for temporary behavior. The baby is loud means the baby is a loud baby. The baby is being loud means the baby is crying right now. Now let us compare being and been. These two words sound a little bit similar, but they are very different. Being has a long E sound and ends with ing. Being. Been sounds shorter, like the word been. Been. Also, the grammar is different. Being is used with am, is, or are. I am being, she is being. But been is used with have or has. I have been, she has been. You never say, I am been. That is incorrect. And you never say, I have being. That is also incorrect. You must memorize the pairs. Is being, have been. If you remember these pairs, you will speak correctly. Let us talk about common mistakes that students make with these words. Many students forget the helper verb. They say, I been to school. This is wrong. You must say, I have been to school. Do not forget the word have. Another mistake is using be alone. Students say, I be happy. This is not correct standard English. You should say, I am happy or I will be happy. Be usually needs a helper like will or to. Also, be careful with pronunciation. Do not say been with a long sound for B-E-E-N. In American English, it sounds like been. Where have you been? Let us practice with some sentences about the future using be. Repeat these ideas in your head. I will be ready soon. We will be friends. It will be a good day. In all these sentences, we look forward to the future. We use the word will plus be. This structure is very easy and very useful. You can use it for promises. I will be there. You can use it for predictions. It will be cold. Try to make your own sentences using will be. It is the best way to practice the base form of the verb be. Now, let us practice with being. Imagine you are watching a movie. You can say the movie is being watched by me. This is passive. Or imagine your friend is acting strange. You ask, why are you being strange? You are asking about their behavior right now. Remember, being is about the present moment. It is about right now. Are you being serious? This asks if you are acting serious right now. I am being careful. This means right now, I am acting with care. Practice using being to describe actions and behaviors that are happening at this very second. Now, let us practice with been. Think about your travels. I have been to Spain. I have been to the park. Think about your feelings. I have been tired lately. I have been excited about the news. Think about actions over time. I have been working hard. She has been reading that book. Remember to always use have or has. He has been, she has been, it has been, we have been, they have been. If you practice this pattern, it will become natural for you. You will not have to think about the grammar rules. Finally, let us put them all together in a story. I want to be a good student. So I am being careful with my homework right now. I have been studying for 3 hours. Do you see the difference? I want to be refers to my desire. I am being refers to my action right now. I have been refers to the time I spent studying. All 3 forms of the verb are in this story: to be, being, built. They work together to tell the whole story of your time and your actions. If you can use all 3, your English is very good. Thank you so much for listening to this long episode of the English Flow podcast. Today, we learned how to use be, been, and being. These are essential words for your English journey. I hope you feel more confident now. Please, if you liked this lesson, subscribe to our channel. We need your support to make more episodes. Also, follow us on all our social media platforms to see short videos and tips. Keep practicing your English every day. Use be, use been, and use being in your conversations. I am Lucas, and I will see you in the next episode. Goodbye.